Hello, friends. Today, I'm going to talk about a skill that has become increasingly essential in our rapidly advancing world: data science. We are living in an era of data explosion where information surrounds us in every aspect of our lives. The ability to navigate, analyze, and extract meaningful insights from this vast amount of data has become more crucial than ever before. Allow me to impart the reasons why learning data science is not only beneficial but also inspiring. First and foremost, data science has become the power to change the world. In a realm where industries are becoming revolutionized and groundbreaking discoveries are being made, data science serves as the catalyst for innovation. Let's take a moment to reflect on how data science is transforming the healthcare sector. By analyzing millions of patient records, medical researchers can now identify previously unseen patterns, unveil potential causes for diseases, and devise personalized treatment plans. This not only saves lives but also minimizes healthcare costs. By learning data science, you can become a part of this incredible transformation, contributing to advancements that will improve the lives of countless individuals. Second, data science opens up vast career opportunities in various fields, from finance to marketing, from healthcare to transportation. Every industry is in need of skilled data scientists. Employers are desperately seeking individuals who can translate data into actionable insights, driving informed decision making and strategic planning. By learning data science, you can become a highly sought after professional with limitless opportunities for growth and success. Possessing expertise in data science puts you at the forefront of the job market, ensuring long term job security even in times of uncertainty. Furthermore, learning data science empowers you to navigate the sea of information that surrounds us. We live in an age where data overload is a real challenge, and the ability to make sense of this abundance sets you apart. Understanding data science equips you with critical thinking skills, enabling you to identify trends, draw conclusions, and make informed decisions. By learning to analyze data, you become a more discerning consumer, more logical problem solver, a more effective leader. Data science is not only about numbers, but also about enhancing your overall cognitive abilities. Lastly, learning data science fosters a mindset of continuous learning and personal growth. In this constantly evolving field, there will always be something new to learn, techniques to master, and challenges to overcome. Embracing data science means embracing a never ending quest for knowledge. As you embark on this journey, you will discover the thrill of unraveling insights, the satisfaction of solving complex problems, and the joy of contributing to impactful projects. Data science is a field that cultivates curiosity, creativity, and resilience, allowing you to continuously reinvent yourself and adapt to an ever changing landscape of technology. In conclusion, learning data science is not just about acquiring a set of technical skills, it's about embracing a mindset that empowers you to change the world, seize exciting career opportunities, navigate information overload, and foster a lifelong journey of growth. By embarking on this path, you become part of a community of data scientists who are shaping the future and making a difference. Embrace the power of data science and let it inspire you to create a better tomorrow.